back to your abacus class. Hope you all are staying well. Last week we met, right? We had our interactive session where I met you. Some of you were there. So I came to know that you are having difficulty in doing visualization. So I thought today let's start with visualization randomly. So I'll give you some questions, okay, and you will be doing it with me. Clear? So just sit straight, take your position, and let's begin. I'll give you around 10 questions. Clear? So let's start. Okay, position please. So you hold the scale this way, fingers are free. Now thumb used for one purpose, index used for three purpose. What is that? You add and subtract at the upper bead, okay, or heaven bead, and in the lower bead what you do with index finger, you subtract. Now in thumb it is only used for one purpose, so you just add in lower bead. Okay, so let's go for it. First question, 9 direct butterfly number, -5 done, -2 done, +5 done. Answer 5, 6, 7. Clear abacus. Close your eyes, sit straight and do it with me. Next one, 8 butterfly number, -2 done direct, -5 done direct, -1. So everything is cleared from the scale. So answer is 0. Answer is 0. Clear abacus. Next, 4. Okay, then 5. Okay, then -5. Then -3. So only one bead is left in your scale. Okay, clear abacus. Just visualize the scale, keeping your eyes closed, and think of one's place rod. That's it. You have a scale with you. Think of that rod, and as if you are using the scale, do it in that way. Next question, number 4. Okay, so what is it? 1, 2, 5, 1. Let's do 1, 2, 5, 1. So all the beads are there. Butterfly number 9. Clear abacus. Next, 2, then 1, then 1, then 5. Answer 9. Clear abacus. 4 direct, all the beads. 5 direct, done. -9. So butterfly number 9 you are subtracting, done. Then add 2. So only 2 is left. So answer is 2. Clear abacus. Next, 2 direct, 1 direct, 5 direct, -2. So what is left for you? 5, 6 is left. Okay, clear abacus. 2 direct, 2 direct. So 4 beads are already there, which is touching the answer line. Now 5 done. Now you have to subtract 3. 1, 1, 1 done. So 5 and 1 is left. That is 5 and 1, 6. 6 is your answer. Clear abacus. Next, 5, 1, 1, 2. So it's 9. All the beads are there. Okay, clear abacus. Next, 1, 5, 1, 1. So 8 beads are there in answer line. Clear abacus. Next, 3 done, 6 possible done. Now -6, -5, -1. Okay, now -3. Okay, so -3 also done. That means nothing is left. It's 0. Okay, clear abacus. And the last sum, what is it? 2, then 1, then 5. Okay, then -3. So 5 is only. So answer is 5. In this way you have to do visualization with this speed, children. Now whenever I am using the questions like in the form of fill in the blanks, learn those questions also. Very important. Anything can come in your question paper. So I'll just explain you few more things. Just listen to me carefully, everyone. Also inform your parents. Okay, in your abacus half yearly syllabus, it is of 50 marks. It is of 50 marks. Now out of this 50 marks you will be having addition subtraction using abacus scale, addition subtraction using finger gem, addition subtraction using visualization, only for one's place. So whatever heading is given, you have to do accordingly. You have to write only the answer giving the correct question number. Clear? Now you can have match the column, you can have fill in the blanks, okay, you can have identification of beads, and you can have draw the beads. So I'll teach you all the patterns, that you don't worry. Now fill in the blanks questions can be like always place the abacus scale on a dash surface, flat surface, okay. In finger gem we can count up to 99, okay. Right hand in finger gem is used for ones place. Okay. The scale which is there for you, the white dot in the abacus scale is called unit dot. The line which divides the scale is called answer line. The rods which are there, how many rods? There are 13 rods in the small abacus scale. So it is called rod. Okay. Beads are called beads. Now upper bead is also called heaven bead. Lower bead is also called earth bead. Do not forget this. Now place value. Lower bead, each bead value is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Upper bead, one bead value is 5. Value is 5. Done. Now let's see how many beads are there. Lower bead there are 4 beads. Upper bead there is only 1 bead. Done. Now when you are using the scale, can you tell me index finger, how many times we can use, or what is the purpose of index finger? For 3 purposes we use index finger. For adding, for subtracting in upper bead, and for subtracting in lower bead. Okay. Then thumb finger we use only one purpose, for one purpose, one time. What is it? Adding in the lower bead. Always add this way in the lower bead, subtract this way in the lower bead. Now upper bead, add this way, subtract this way, add this way, subtract this way. So you keep on moving your fingers, both the fingers, okay. So these type of questions you have to learn well, you have to by heart and keep on practicing with the help of scale, finger gem as well as visualization. Clear? Now in finger gem, if it is asked to you, how do you start adding? You start with index finger. Okay. Now how do you subtract? You subtract from your, you start from little finger. You start from little finger. Clear? So this is the thing you can write in the form of fill in the blanks. Now this is, if it is given, right hand thumb is equal to 5. Now if it is asked to you, index finger only one time in finger gem, it is 1. Clear? Fist, what is the meaning of this fist? 0. Fist means 0. Clear abacus means 0. Fist means 0. Clear abacus means 0. Okay children, so please go through this video, solve your sums accordingly with the speed that I have shown you, and learn these blanks which I have told you. Okay, so next class we will do something else. Okay, so meet you in the next class. Today till this much, take care, bye bye.